Have you ever seen something so advanced, so powerful, that it almost feels like the world isn't ready for it? That's exactly what Google's new AI update feels like right now. And trust me, after seeing what this update can do, you're probably going to rethink everything you believe about AI, search, productivity, and the future of digital work. Because what Google just dropped isn't just an update, it is a warning shot to every other AI company. A signal that Google is stepping back into the arena with technology that is scarily advanced. And the world has absolutely no idea what's coming. The craziest part? Google didn't hype this. They didn't market it aggressively. They didn't do a massive keynote with fireworks. Instead, they quietly rolled out tech that is so far ahead that even AI experts are calling it too good, unbelievable, and something that should not exist yet. And if you think that's exaggerated, wait until you see what this AI can actually do. This new update transforms Google's AI into something closer to a real digital brain, a system that understands context, memory, real-world actions, your workflow, your files, your patterns, your voice, your images, your videos, your behavior. We're talking about an AI that can handle everything from deep technical programming to personal life organization to full research automation. Google basically took what Gemini could do before, multiplied it by 10, and then gave it the ability to operate with human-level reasoning and real-world awareness. People always say, AI is cool, but it still feels robotic. Not anymore. This update brings an almost frightening level of intuition. You can talk to it the way you talk to a real assistant. Not a chatbot. An actual digital problem solver that responds with context, memory, and precision. You don't have to give step-by-step instructions anymore. You don't have to walk it through your workflow. You can say something vague, something you'd say to a coworker, and this AI just understands. Imagine telling it, "Hey, summarize that document I was reading yesterday. Then cross-check it with the spreadsheet John sent me last week and create a plan for next quarter." An old chatbot would break instantly. This one? It retrieves your files, connects the dots, runs the reasoning, and generates a full strategic plan like a human analyst. It's not just reactive anymore, it's proactive. If you're working on a project, it can remind you of tasks you forgot, detect mistakes, and even suggest improvements without you asking. This level of intelligence creates a shift that most people are not prepared for. Because when an AI can understand your personal data and workflows at this depth, it changes what's possible for individuals and companies. A single person can work at the speed of a small team. A small startup can operate like a 50-person company. A student can do research at the level of a PhD assistant. This update turns regular users into superhumans. And that's exactly the part the world is not ready for. But let us talk about the feature that shocked everyone. Google's new multimodal reasoning engine. If you thought multimodal AI already existed, Google just redefined it. This new update can interpret text, audio, images, video, diagrams, charts, and code all at once with a level of accuracy that feels illegal. You can point your camera at a broken appliance and it will diagnose the issue, explain what's wrong, order the part, and walk you step by step through the repair. You can record a lecture, and Google's AI will extract the key insights, generate study notes, create a test, and even produce visuals to help you memorize concepts. For creators, it's insane. You can drag a raw video onto your screen and say, "Turn this into a polished YouTube short with captions, zooms, and cuts," and it will do everything instantly. No timeline editing, no color correction, no audio cleanup. It's all automated. And the part that really scares people is that it does this with style. It understands pacing, emotion, tone, and story structure. Developers? They're about to go through the biggest transformation of their careers. Google's new code reasoning upgrade doesn't just generate code, it understands entire systems. You can show it an existing code base and say, "Find every security issue in this project," and it will locate vulnerabilities, explain what caused them, fix them, and then rewrite your architecture for better performance. It's like giving every developer their own senior engineer who never sleeps. Search is also changing forever. Instead of giving you links, Google now gives you answers, plans, lists, workflows, solutions, and even executes tasks for you. If you search, "How do I start a fitness routine?" it doesn't send you articles. It creates a workout plan tailored to your body, schedule, diet, goals, and injuries. It then syncs it to your calendar, sets reminders, and can even adjust based on your progress. Search is no longer a tool. It's a companion. The real game changer is memory. This update allows Google's AI to retain details across conversations, tasks, and time, like a real human assistant. It remembers your preferences, your habits, the tone you like, the structure you prefer, the tasks you delay, the projects you revisit. It doesn't just store information, it learns you. This is the part that feels almost too advanced, because memory is the closest thing to actual intelligence that AI has ever shown. And here's where it gets wild. Google's new AI can now operate across apps. Email, Drive, Docs, Sheets, YouTube, Photos, all interconnected. For the first time ever, an AI can see your digital life as one ecosystem, not separate apps. You can say, "Find every file I need for my text documents and organize them," and it will sort through your email receipts, your Drive folders, your bank PDFs, your photos of invoices, and compile everything automatically. Accountants should be shaking right now. Even the health features are insane. With the new AI-powered analysis, your phone camera becomes a diagnostic tool. Show it food, and it will estimate calories, macros, and ingredients. Point it at your skin, and it flags early signs of conditions people normally ignore. Walk with your phone in your pocket, and it analyzes posture, gait, and motion patterns, identifying risks before they become injuries. This isn't normal AI. This is futuristic. People think the scariest part is how powerful it is. But the real scary part is how easy it is to use. You don't need prompts. You don't need instructions. You don't need to be a tech expert. You talk to it like a friend with superpowers. And when that becomes normal, the gap between people who use AI and people who don't is going to explode. This update also signals something bigger, the beginning of AI autonomy inside our devices. While other AIs need cloud systems, Google is pushing intelligence directly into phones, laptops, and wearables. Local intelligence means faster processing, better privacy, and more independence from servers. Your phone is about to become your personal AI partner, and that changes everything. The craziest part, this is just version 1. Google already hinted that future updates will bring even deeper reasoning, autonomous task execution, real-world tool usage, and possibly on-device agentic behaviors. In simple words, your phone will soon be able to perform entire tasks without your supervision, like booking flights, negotiating prices, writing documents, rearranging schedules, analyzing finances, and managing routines. This is why people say nobody is ready. Because the world is entering a phase where intelligence is no longer a resource limited to humans. It's becoming a built-in feature of everyday technology. Imagine a world where your phone is smarter than your boss. Your laptop works faster than your entire department. Your personal assistant knows more about your goals than you do. That world is no longer sci-fi. It's here. And if Google continues at this pace, this might be the biggest technological shift since the invention of the internet. People will lose jobs. People will gain new opportunities. Entire industries will collapse. New industries will be born overnight. But one thing is for sure, ignoring this update will be the biggest mistake anyone can make in 2025. The smartest thing you can do right now is learn how to use these tools, understand how AI reasoning works, and start integrating it into your workflow before everyone else catches on. This update is not just an upgrade, it's a warning. Adapt now or get left behind.